Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I am going to show you all how to make the most delicious fudge ever. This fudge is so creamy and smooth, you have to give it a try. So, without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, to make our homemade fudge, we're going to go over everything that we're going to need to do that. You're going to need an already prepped pan, okay? The pan is prepped with parchment paper, and we also sprayed it to help it stick. We have walnuts. I have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to need some marshmallow puff, some chocolate chips, and some vanilla extract, okay? And I'm using vanilla paste. But if you want to use vanilla extract, you definitely can. Either or, it don't matter. And we're going to need about 3 tablespoons of butter. So the first thing we're going to do is melt our butter, okay? We got our butter melted, so we're going to add in our chocolate chips, and then we are going to add in our sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to give that a good mix, guys, until everything is nice and melted, okay? So go ahead and get that in there, and it shouldn't take that long to mix, okay? Now, you guys can definitely double this recipe if you are looking to make a big batch, okay? And remember, guys, this fudge is rich, okay? It is delicious, but it is rich. So you definitely want to be careful when you're eating these because they are quite addictive. So after you got that mixed in, guys, we're going to go in with our marshmallow puff, okay? Now, there's another one out there that's basically called puff. If you guys want to use that one, you definitely can. That's like the OG of the marshmallow creams that's used to make homemade fudge. I couldn't find that, so we are working with what we have, and that is the Jet Puff Marshmallow Cream, okay? So we're going to get that in there and then give that a good mix until it is well combined. And then we are going to go in with our vanilla and our walnuts. Now, like I said, guys, if you want to double this recipe, I'll put, just like I did with the caramel recipe, I'll go ahead and put everything down below in the description box for you guys if you want to make a double recipe or just this single recipe right here. You don't have to stress about how much should I use and all that. I'll put that down below in the description box for you guys to have, okay? So please check there. So now we got our vanilla extract in there, and now we're going to add in our walnuts. Now we're not going to add in all our walnuts because we are going to add some on top. So we're going to go ahead and get that incorporated as well, which shouldn't take long. Now if you want to use more walnuts than this, you definitely can, because I did add in a little extra because I am a nut lover, okay? Love me some nuts. So yes, if you want to add in more, go ahead and add in more. So we're going to add that fudge into our already prepped pan again. That's a piece of wax paper. I said parchment paper, but that is a piece of wax paper. I did spray the pan and got the wax paper in there. I cut the ends like I showed you guys before. And once you push it down, guys, it fits perfectly into your pan. So we're going to go ahead and just get that fudge spread out. And then we are going to top this with more nuts. Okay, we're going to add more walnuts on top. And then we're going to get this in the fridge to set for 24 hours. Now, a lot of people like to cut theirs sooner than that because a lot of people just like to plop it in the freezer, and it will set up fairly quickly in the freezer. Mind you, it will. But I just keep it in the fridge, let it set 24 hours because I'm not really in a hurry. I mean, it is going to set up either way. But again, guys, we're just going to let this sit 24 hours, and then you want to go ahead and cut it up into nice little pieces because again, guys, these are very rich, very, very rich. So that is pretty much it. Very quick and easy fudge recipe for you guys if you're interested in making these. But if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up because that helped me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel, and until next time, you guys take care. Later.